Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of December 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of December for all the Aquarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your 7th house, and right now Sun is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Scorpio, where 10th house Lord Mars is already moving, which controls your 3rd house also, where Jupiter is already moving. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships and journal is seen from 7th house, your business partnership is seen from 7th house, your legal commitment is seen from 7th house, how you will meet others and how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from 7th house. So right now 7th house Lord is moving in your 10th house. 10th house deal with your work, your fame, your authority in life, your bosses, your superiors seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is also seen from 10th house, and your fame related matter is also seen from 7th house along with 10th house. So right now 7th house Lord is in a strong position and 10th house is also in a strong position. That's why we can expect good result regarding your profession related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your work related matter in the month of December. If you are a public figure, then we can also expect good result for your fame related matter in the month of December. Sun will stay in your 10th house till 17th of December. After 17th of December, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius, where Mercury is already moving. So after 17th of December, when your 7th house Lord will be moving into 11th house will be your gains, your elder siblings seen from 11th house, your professional network circle, your friend circle, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So after 17th of December, when your 7th house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, then we can expect good result regarding your marriage related matter. If you are single, then we can expect good result regarding single, then we can expect good proposal for you after 17th of December. Also, we can expect good result regarding your love relationship, because after 17th of December, 11th house Lord will be moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house, Mercury and Sun, both the planets will be looking at your 7th house, because Mercury also controls your 5th house and 11th house will be your gains. That's why we can expect good result regarding your love relationship as well in the month of December, especially after 17th of December. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Aquarius Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your 5th house and your 8th house. And right now Mercury is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. 5th house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education is seen from 5th house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your fun activities also seen from 5th house, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance related matter is also seen from 5th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life is seen from 8th house, your secret activity, your research studies also seen from 8th house, your sexual activity and sexual organ is also seen from 8th house. So right now your 5th house and 8th house Lord is moving in your 11th house, and from 11th house Mercury is also expecting its own house, your 5th house. That's why we were saying in Sun section you will get good result regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activities, and also we can expect good result regarding your sudden unexpected gains in the month of December, because right now your 5th house Lord and 8th house Lord is moving in the house of gains, and Mercury will also turn into its retrograde motion after 13th December 2023 in your 11th house, and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. So we can expect good result regarding your children's credit matter, regarding your love relationship, regarding your fun activities. Also, we can expect good result regarding your unexpected gain. But Ketu is moving right now in your 8th house after 30th October 2023, and for next 1.5 year Ketu will stay in your 8th house. So for next and a half year you need to be drive carefully, you need to be take care of your sudden events, you may have to face some difficulties, but right now your 8th house Lord is moving in a strong position, and Mercury is also about to turn into its retrograde motion. That's why we can expect good result regarding for you people from Mercury in the month of December. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Venus controls your 4th house and your 9th house. And right now Venus is moving in your 9th house in its own sign. 4th house deal with your home, your physical home is seen from 4th house, your mother, relationship with your mother is seen from 4th house, Your properties related matter, your vehicles, your comfort in life, and your peace is also seen from fourth house. Your homeland related matter is also seen from fourth house. Ninth house deal with your father, your teacher, your higher education is seen from ninth house. Your long distance travel, your religious inclination, your religious knowledge is also seen from ninth house, and your long distance travel related to pilgrimage is also seen from ninth house. So right now, fourth house Lord is in a strong position in your ninth house. That's why we can expect good result regarding your home related matter, regarding your vehicles related matter. Also, we can expect good result regarding your father and mother's health in the month of December. And thirdly, we can expect good result regarding your travel related matter, because your homeland Lord is moving in the house of travel, and your ascendant Lord is also moving in your ascendant. That's why we can expect good result regarding you people in the month of December for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Ninth house also deal with your luck related matter, so we can expect luck will be in your favor in the month of December for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. So we can expect these results from Venus for all the Aquarius Ascendant people in the month of December. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now Moon is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Virgo. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of December, and on the basis of 6th December we are predicting for whole month, because moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these houses considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. And especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house. And right now your third house Lord is moving in its 10th house in its strong position in its own house. That's why we were saying in some section, if you are a business person, then we can expect good result regarding your fame related matter, regarding your communication related matter, because business is all about communication. And right now your communication Lord is in a strong position in the house of work, and Jupiter is also moving in your third house. That's why we can expect wonderful result for all the Aquarius ascendant people regarding your work related matter, regarding their business related matter, and also we can expect good result regarding your communication related matter, because right now your second house Lord is moving in your communication house, and your communication house Lord is moving in your 10th house in a strong position. So we can expect great result for you people in the month of December for all the Aquarius ascendant people. So we can expect these results from all the planets in the month of December for all the Aquarius ascendant people. We will have four major astrological events in the month of December. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your 10th house. But after 17th of December, Sun will move to your 11th house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in your 9th house. But after 24th of December, Venus will move to your 10th house in the sign of Scorpio. Third major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in your 11th house, but Mercury will turn into its retrograde motion after 13th of December in your 11th house and will stay retrograde till 2nd January 2024. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your third house, and right now Jupiter is moving in its retrograde motion. But after 1st January 2024, Jupiter will turn into its direct motion in your third house. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of December 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.